Whether you're planning to move to Japan, take a trip to Japan, wanting to learn a new language to broaden your skills, or just a weeb wanting to watch anime without subtitles, I'm assuming you've clicked on this video to find out how to learn Japanese. Just like any other language, learning Japanese can be really fun and exciting, but also challenging. I think if you have hard work and dedication, anybody can learn Japanese. The Japanese writing system is split up into 3 different sections: Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. While all 3 are necessary to writing and reading Japanese, the first 2 are the only ones you really need to work on before getting into the nitty-gritty. When I started to learn Japanese, I had no idea where to start, so I downloaded Duolingo. It's like a language learning app. I used it for Spanish at one point. It's really good, but the pace is really slow. So Hiragana is basically the Japanese alphabet.
These are the 42 Hiragana characters, each starting with a consonant and ending with a vowel. The rest pretty much fall into place once you know the basic 42.
Some people say they learn Hiragana fairly quickly, actually, a week to 2 weeks sometimes. I took about 4 months, but that's because I wasn't super on top of it, and I did the pace of Duolingo before I kind of bought any books or things to help me. I went to my local Barnes & Noble and bought some writing books for Hiragana. This one is really nice.
This is a really good Hiragana workbook. I used it for just practicing the characters I'd already learned, but it does also teach you how to write them as well as some simple vocabulary words.
I also got this Japanese for Beginners book from Barnes & Noble. This one's also the Tuttle brand.
So this book comes with a CD-ROM that you use to follow along while you're reading through. It does the pronunciation for the words so you kind of know what to sound like when you're speaking.
This one I could see myself using for a while. It has a lot of introduction phrases, talks about the culture, things like that. This is probably my favorite book. It's also the Tuttle brand, got it at Barnes & Noble. Also got that sick ROM.
If you get any of these books first, I recommend this one. This is the book that's probably helped me the most. I use this one to figure out how to write each of the characters with the brushstrokes. It also comes with pictures to help you remember the characters and some really good vocabulary words.
And believe it or not, the CDs are really helpful. They come with printout sections of flashcards, they come with games, things you can do to like hype your memory up a little bit. Memorization is key when it comes to learning Hiragana. That's really the only way you can do it, but it's not as hard as you think it is. It looks kind of scary looking at all the different syllables, and I don't know what this ancient language is. But once you get the concept, it's fairly easy. I just now learned Hiragana, and I've been working on Japanese for like 3 or 4 months, so don't feel discouraged. But also my memory sucks, so that's probably why it took me so long. I am taking a Japanese 1 course in college this semester, so hopefully I'll have good insight on quicker ways to learn Hiragana and give you guys tips and things on starting to learn Japanese. If you're not the flashcard making type or want to do things electronically, my professor sent me and the other students a really cool website. It has online flashcards for all the Hiragana, Katakana, and some beginning kanji I think, but it's really helpful. Well, I will update you guys on my progression of learning Japanese. Kind of at the same place as a lot of people are, still a beginner. So hopefully progresses a lot this year. I'm going to work really hard on it. All of the books in this video will be linked below, as well as the website my professor gave me for the flashcards online. And I think that's about it. Arigato. Thanks for watching. Charlie, I'm trying to record a video.